So, hello aspirants. Welcome to another session of the current affairs. Let's see some more important topics for your upcoming prelims 2023 examination. The first topic is uranium. Let's understand what are the various states in India which are famous for uranium deposit. The first one is Jharkhand. Another one is your Andhra Pradesh, and recently even deposits are found in Rajasthan, so that's why it was in the news. So remember this particular state also. Then the largest producers in the entire world, we should remember even those names: Kazakhstan, then another country is your Canada, and the third one is your Australia. We generally import uranium from Kazakhstan and Australia. Now the next topic is performance grade index for the districts. It has been brought by Ministry of Education so as to assess the quality of education in your school. Remember this particular thing, what is performance grade index for your districts. Another topic is Rim of the Pacific. It is a naval exercise conducted by United States Navy, and the command in the United States Navy is Indo-Pacific Command. This particular command is responsible for conducting this exercise, and it is generally held biannually. So remember this aspect too. It can happen that might be in the examination UPSC says that this exercise happens annually. So remember it happens biannually. So the next topic is your Gemcovac 19. So it is India's first homemade messenger RNA vaccine which was made for your COVID-19. So the government has given it an approval, emergency approval. So kindly remember this particular vaccine name. The next is your Capstone mission. It is launched by NASA and it will allow the spacecraft to determine their own location without even relying upon the Earth-based tracking system. So kindly remember this Capstone mission. The next topic is UN Ocean Conference. It was there in the news during June 2022, and at that time it was called as the Blue Deal. So it can happen that might be in the examination UPSC will say Blue Deal was there in the news. What was it? So you should remember it is a UN Ocean Conference, and what was it aiming for? The main goal of this particular conference was to utilize the sustainable usage of your ocean resources. So kindly remember this particular aspect regarding UN Ocean Conference. The next topic is your Dynamic World. It is a service which is launched by Google so as to determine the kind of changes that is happening on the planet due to the various disasters that are happening either naturally or due to the anthropogenic causes. So that is your Dynamic World. Now the next topic is Going Online as Leaders. It is a scheme which is launched by Ministry of Tribal Affairs with partnership with Facebook, and it is right now in its second phase. And what is the main aim of this Going Online as Leaders scheme? So as to train, skill and reskill women, especially from the tribal communities. So kindly remember these aspects. Now the next topic is your Jamdani. It is a cotton textile. It is a cotton textile and it has been awarded the GI tag in Bangladesh. Remember this thing. It has been awarded GI tag not in India but in Bangladesh, and UNESCO has added it under the Intangible Cultural Heritage list. Okay, Intangible Cultural Heritage list. It became famous in India especially during the reign of Muhammad bin Tughlaq. So that's all for your today's current affairs. In the next session, we will see some more important topics for your prelims 2023 examination. Till then, thank you.